I let it fall, my heart, heavy as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips, and then you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms and to fall into your knees. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you'd say, they were never true. Games you'd play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Let it burn while I cry, 'cause I hear you screaming out your name.